Hello, I'm Sarah Arduini, and together we are gonna learn how to become your character.
Did I send that email today?
Gosh, if you forgot, you're gonna get fired. And your girlfriend will leave you, and eventually you and your doggy will go live under a bridge. Tomorrow I need to remember to pay the bills, take my kids to work, school, send those documents, buy some groceries. You'll definitely forget something. I'm quite sure everybody hates me at the new job. And why did I say that to her? I'm such a loser. Anxiety, overthink, insomnia, depression.
To what degree do you feel you have control over the performance of your own character? Well, as an animator, you probably do not enjoy getting up on stage and acting things out, but you love to convey emotion through a character and want to share with the world your performance. If you ever find yourself in the video reference room thinking, okay, I'm gonna try to be an actor now, well, if it's something close to that, this tutorial is for you.